Nissan Frontier Forsberg Edition debuted as a lifted truck with NISMO upgrades. The Forsberg Edition package adds a lift kit, a roof rack, and 17-inch wheels wrapped in meaty tires. The Chicago Auto Show kicks off on February 8, and Nissan will use the event to unveil the Frontier Forsberg Edition. The dealer-installed package costs a hefty $9,999 but turns the truck into a desert racer. This is no coincidence, as the model is inspired by the Forsberg Racing Frontier that recently won the NORRA 500. The Forsberg Edition package is available on crew cab pickups and adds a NISMO Off-Road lift kit, forged upper control arms and high-performance shock absorbers. They're mated to 17-inch axis beadlock wheels wrapped in Yokohama Geolandar X-AT tires. The upgrades don't stop there, as the package also includes rock sliders and a roof rack with integrated LED lights. Other highlights include the NISMO catback exhaust as well as Forsberg Racing decals and badging. The Forsberg Edition package will be available this fall and can be installed on 2022 and newer Frontiers. However, those who want to install it on the 2024 model will make at least $41,069. Along with the off-road package, Nissan will also demonstrate the pole-to-pole Aria in the Windy City. The electric crossover recently became the first vehicle to travel from the North Pole to the South Pole. This represents a walk of over 18,000 miles, 28,968 kilometers, and the journey was completed by Chris and Julie Ramsey in 10 months. The powertrain was standard, but the Aria was equipped with a revised suspension, wider fender flares, and 39-inch BF Goodrich tires for driving on snow and ice.